Hey guys, so in this video we will discuss about how to create a professional network, how to make connections, how to get a job referrals. So all the tips and knowledge which I am aware of, I will try to share with you so that you can find the job faster, get the job referrals. So the first top priority or top item for me is like if you don't have optimized LinkedIn profile, right? So try to do that as soon as possible because LinkedIn is really a go-to place for creating a professional networks, right? So make your profile updated and try to keep posting, even if you are posting once or twice a week. That would be enough, because if you will not post for long, right, though, so the algorithm will treat your profile as a dead profile, right? So you will not be shown to other people, your network will not grow, right? So try to keep your profile updated and try to stay active little bit, not too much, like you don't have to post every day, but try to make a post like or share other posts, right? So that the algorithm is aware that your profile is active. Here I just want to share one section here, right? Featured. So in the featured section, like if you are really looking for a job change, right, so you can go to here add profile section, right? So here you can go to add featured, and under add featured you can also add your resume here. So if you see the option add media, right, so it will really help, like whoever is coming to your profile, that person will really able to see your resume very quickly, right? Otherwise it will like sometimes the information is too much in the LinkedIn profile page. So use this featured section, use like to show your achievement. But you, if you are like, I'm not actively looking for job change now, right, so I'm not put my resume in featured. But if you are looking for a job change, right, so you should use this featured section and add media and add your resume and other achievements basically. So this is one tip I will like to give. And other thing is, like, try to follow the people who are posting the jobs on their post, not under the job section, but most of the HRs or managers or the people who are directly hiring for their team, right, what they will do, they will directly upload under the post, and they will also share the email ID. Don't fall for the post where you have to write interested and all that. That is just a clickbait or increase the comments. But the genuine people who give their email ID in the post, so you can email your resume to them. So there are a lot of people like that. So you have search by the company level or something, right? So one way of doing it, because I have seen a lot of people like putting the jobs directly on the post, and they are the genuine people. So that means the power of hiring is in their hand, or they are hiring for their own team, right? That's why they're posting in the job in their profile in the post section. So that is one way of doing it. Then apart from LinkedIn, right, so you should always try to make your other platform profiles like to rank higher. For example, Naukri is there, Indeed is there, right, or any other job portal. So most of the companies, what they will do, or what the HR or talent managers will do, they will go to the profiles and they will always have the separate portal, right, which they will buy for employers. If you go here, right, they have for employers. And like if I have a urgent requirement, right, I will not post my job on the portal, right, I will directly go. I have already paid for my employer portal, and I will just search for Java, let's say Java full stack, right? And once I search this, right, 4 years, 5 years, let's say Bangalore, right? And if I will search, right, it will show me the top profiles, right? So this is not a paid portal, but if someone HR or talent manager is using paid portal, right, they have a lot of other features to filter and all, right? So try to make your profiles like SEO optimized, so that whenever any HR is searching, right, your profile should come on the top. So this is basically I am seeing the, like I'm seeing the openings, right? But if I go to the employer portal, they will able to see the candidates basically. So try to make your profile so that HR can directly see your profile in the higher order whenever they search for any keywords. So make your profile keyword optimized in all the portals. So that is the other suggestion which I will give you. Don't be afraid to send a message. So basically, if you need referral, just search for the company, search for some people, search for hiring managers for that company, and send them a professional message, right? You can say, I'm interested in this job ID, right, can you please refer me? So most of the times people will refer you, right? So don't be afraid to do networking. So there is no harm in doing networking. So the more people you know, right, the more you post, it's anyways good for your overall like profile, right? So try to do that. Don't be afraid, like you can reach out to anyone, right, for a referral. And this is known as cold outreach, right? So you can message anyone, you can also email the company like hiring managers, right? So you can email them, you can show them your skills. So do all that thing. So the point is, don't be afraid to send message or emails, like you can always do that. And The last one is, yeah, the build in public, right? So again, that is also related to your profile on whether it's LinkedIn, whether it's like Twitter or X, right? So try to make your profile optimized, try to share your knowledge. If you're building something, try to share like what you are building, right? Why you are building. Because if you see like all the famous CEOs who are already like millionaire billionaires, right? They also use social media, they will do podcasts, they will share what features they are working on, so all that things, right? So if they are doing that, right, at that level, so we should do that. That's what I like, that's what I feel. Always try to share what you are building, like what you just learned, right? Also keep doing that. Like if you see uh, like if you see my activity log here, right? So if I am doing some newsletter, I will do that, right? So this was my latest post, so I started sending newsletter, right? I just launched hungrycoders.com, so I just put it there, right? So if someone is interested, they can subscribe to my newsletter. And I also do Instagram reels, right? So whatever Instagram reels I am doing, I am just now converting them into the crisp blog post, so that anyone who is preparing for interview, right, they can go to the blog section, search for topics, search by technology, they will able to see my reel also, and some knowledge and some code snippets in one place only, right? So that's what I'm doing. And then whatever I'm doing, I keep sharing on LinkedIn, I keep sharing on Instagram, YouTube, right? So don't be afraid to share whatever. Like it should not be like you are afraid to share any small wins. So any win is fine, any knowledge is fine, as long as your intent is good, right? So just keep sharing, keep growing, keep networking with other people, and be genuine, right? So whatever you are, all the people are not same, right? So you don't have to pretend to be something which you're not. So if you're not good in DSA, just don't show that in your profile, right? If you're good in DSA, you can post related to DSA. If you're good in web, you can post in web, right? If you're good in project management, you post that, right? Because in IT, like all the skills are needed, right? Any skill can add value to the team growth, right? So don't be afraid. Like if you're having project management skill, agile champion skill, or you're good in team management, right? Or you're good in DSA, web, front end, back end. So these all are technologies, and by combining all of them, the team will grow, right? So don't be afraid, connect with the people, connect with your community. You will find all type of communities here, right? So just keep sharing, keep genuine, be genuine, right? So that's how you will make your connection. But don't be afraid to post. And good luck on your job finding. I hope you will get the good job soon. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more programming content.